On the 5th of June 2021, the MDC of West Shillong Constituency LYNGDOH had inaugurated the new Corona Care Centre at Seng Khasi Higher Secondary School at Jaiaw in Shillong. This centre would cater to 50 male patients. Also present during the ceremony were the MLA of North Shillong Constituency ADELBERT NONGRUM, officials of the District Administration of East Khasi Hills, the DMNHO Dr. M. BASAIAWMOIT, the Assistant DMNHO Dr. A. LYNGDOH, Headmen of Jaiaw PYLLUN, members of the Seng Khasi School Administration, besides others. Prayers to the Almighty were offered for the cleansing of all evil forces, especially the pandemic that has affected the entire world. During the event, the MLA of North Shillong Constituency, ADELBERT NONGRUM, offered his help to those who are in need, especially during these difficult times. He pointed out that despite the trauma that most patients are facing, they should be motivated to hope for a complete recovery. NONGRUM also pointed out that representatives of the people like the MLAs and MDCs should stand together and consider more about lending their support to humanity rather than concentrate on any other developmental activities in their own constituencies during the current crisis.
Ban kerku yang ilang baro nginang ye kendo nginang ye ai mensia mar keliang ba nginang ya dukum ki amali MDC ban le la ka jong kamram ka benta ka deity bat ka jingker clear ban pej ek saudong saukun ban penbiang hala ki jong dokam ban nakani ki jaka ka hospital Robert hospital bronang rekat bat kini giwe dia mengarkum amali ngatorwa ya ka ba pen sengolam ki ka jing dokam namar dang ilik ban ai dala dia ngimtip ka kat do kan serve ka purpose nengasngo shimene kabu kade ka por ka bangarwa Pala, buat ngan declare buat ada scheme, development scheme, minum kor state developmental activities, sendiri ngan semua buat ada por, buat ada dengan scheme buat divert baru, syakaban save human life. Mana semua ada por, bangim dong kam bani keren, ban perkat tang constituency, ban perkat tang ya ke Shillong agglomeration, sendiri ngan semua ada por, kau bangim ban perkat ya ke human race, ya ke jai penrio baru, boleh sejarmu. The
MDC of West Shillong Constituency LYNGDOH, while expressing his gratitude to all those involved in the arrangement of the new Corona Care Centre at Seng Khasi Higher Secondary School, inspired everyone, especially all COVID positive patients, to never lose hope, but in fact to always be hopeful that they would come out of the situation in complete recovery. He also reminded all present that tough times don't last, but tough men and women do.
Kami kecing tendon kam, terkung, ladon tiang kita, nalor pakila switch off yang mobile yang malak tajban, kuliah cepat kami kecing pang, andai melak mencet pada saya di store, kamar kita home jom DC's office, kita home di Dorash nong dia pas dia pertas. Di kanir masuk kita kam, ban don kanu nuga arrangement, baka timing nak si kecing benar di ban long no, apa control. Dari beriu kilar dari for kilar pak mau di for bar sudah set yang guru dari tingting misi baru kalau yang semua dari profesional beli TV lagi corona deh berkat ikan mental stress seperti beriu ya lengba ngeti jom Dr. Cyber ini dan department from ini dan administration tapi juga di dalam pasien simlang yang ini ke point nomor ibabun ibangat ini jingpang, bahasa kam no akan jingpang, bisa kam amdei bah slot physically and mentally, ajur pelak mental pressure, ada isu ini apa, gaya badan NONGRUM ini menciski tangkan ha, ini yang penting, yang mulai yang itu marjan yang tersiap, kata ketiga trauma seperti itu, ya limbah ini kipur, kerpat itu di badai, kan line worker, dekat ke administration, dekat ke department. Shillong yang kini nomor, ini tentang physical aspect dalam benda kejengpang. Sebab lak banyak kun dalam sistem.